Down before and it'll go down.
Oh, that was sweet.
Oh yeah, I like the crackles and the crackles. Oh, that's neat.
Oh, that's a smiley face. Y'all see that?
They sent it up crooked though.
Oh, dang. That was a loud one.
When we first moved to Vandalia, they used to have the 4th of July fireworks right where the library is.
Oh really?
That was all vacant field.
Oh, the high school?
Between the high school and VE was vacant field. That's where they shoot them off from the football stadium. That's where we'd go to watch them.
That was in 1959.
Yeah.
Wow.
And through most of the 60s. Then I moved into St. Chris for a while for some reason.
Well, they didn't build the rec center until 2001.
Yeah.
She said, yeah.
You like those, Olivia? Those pretty. Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
Oh.
Now this is what I'm talking about.
I saw you back there. Before. Whoa!
Whoa.
That was a secret one.